short, medium, long form content, live videos, you run ads, just talking about the tech part of business, right? You are explaining to people the tech part, generating leads, converting leads, capturing people's email address onto an opt-in form. That email address will go onto an email list whereby you have an email list sequence whereby that can send out every hour, every day, one message formula. So you are building deeper bond, deeper connection with your audience, with your community, and you are just tech savvy. Now you're speaking just only about the tech part in your business. That means you have narrowed down your niche market, your niche, your brand to you are now the expert in this one thing. You are not generalizing your niche by going wide, by going broad, right? There are multiple competitors doing that and they are scaling their businesses massively online. You need to make sure you are a small fish in a big pond. No, you are a big fish in a small pond. Meaning, as I mentioned, you are the go-to person, the professional, the